If you're looking for a hot job in a cool field, listen up. That's what we're talking about today with Skip Krepsick, the program lead of the HVAC program at Tidewater Community College. So let's talk about it. What's this field?
Yes, ma'am. Heating, ventilating, air conditioning, and refrigeration. Over 55% of the energy consumed in the United States is consumed by the HVACR industry. People don't realize that. It's an enormous industry with great opportunities. But we take care of heating and cooling buildings, refrigerating food, everything to do with your comfort, and indoor air quality, providing good indoor air quality.
And I know there's a huge demand for people with knowledge of heating and air conditioning, but there are some misconceptions that might stand in the way.
Yes. In all of the surveys done for companies that are advertising for employees, HVACR is always at the top of the list in the United States and Canada. And the misconceptions are quite commonly that it's an industry with no sex appeal. No one wants to come into this trade because they don't understand what's involved. They think of the person who crawls into your crawl space in your home. That's part of HVAC. But there's also people in our industry who are working in hospitals and maintaining the indoor climate inside of a hospital and schools, high-rise buildings, as well as your home. So it's a very large field.
What makes a good student in a program like this?
All of the contractors that I talk to tell me the same thing. They're looking for good employees with good soft skills. How they talk to the customer. Do they report to work on time? Do they follow instructions? Can they read and comprehend the installation manual for the equipment? So those are the first things that most employers are looking for. After that, a good command of mathematics and science. You've got to have understand the science behind the equipment that we're installing and working on. So there's the soft skills and the hard skills, but I was at Wallops Island earlier this week, and they were telling me they have the same problem at NASA. And they said, they're having trouble finding people with good soft skills. He said they should call those the hard skills because they're hard to find. But that's very important.
Well, tell me more about TCC's HVAC program and what sets it apart from others.
We have a certificate program that's 3 semesters that's designed to get someone ready for an entry-level job in the field. Then we have a 4-semester program. It's an Associate of Applied Science degree where we expand on that subject matter to get somebody ready for a little bit, take on a little bit more responsibility once they get a job in this field.
And get them ready to do well in this new career.
Absolutely. So we have to teach the science. We've got to learn the math, we've got to learn the science behind it, but we spend about half of the time working on the tactile skills of manipulating the tools, the instruments, and what you need to make the equipment work well.
Skip Krepsick with TCC, thank you so much.
Thank you.